Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to use surfaces to create solids. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the regular extrude command by the ending option of up to surface or offset from the surface, and then we are going to create our solids. So as you can see on your screen right now, I have two surfaces. The first one is extrude surface and the second one is sweep surface. So what we are going to do is we are going to tie them together, and then we want to make them a single surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this surface and this surface, and into the tab of surfaces, into the ribbon section, you can see there is an option knit surfaces. So I can just click on it, and then I can just click the green check mark. So in this way, I have one surface, as you can see here in the feature manager. Okay, and I already have a plane 2 here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go into the plane 2 and start sketching. So I wanna go into the normal view, and then I can create a center point rectangle. I will start a center point rectangle from here. Okay, one thing you should keep in mind that the center rectangle should be below on the surface. So otherwise it's not going to work. So as you can see right now, we have our center point rectangle under the surface. So I'm just going to click the green check mark and then exit the sketch. So as you can see, this is my center point rectangle and this is surface. So I'm going to go into the features and then extrude boss or base. And then what we can do is we can just go into the up to surfaces. We already know the regular extrude command, but we did not have surfaces to play with it. But right now we had a surface, so we would go up to the surface.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
And now they are going to ask which surface, so we can just select this surface. Okay, so as you can see, like it's going to extrude it till the surface. So I'm just going to click the green check mark. Look, so it extruded our center point rectangle till the surface. So if you want to hide the surface, we can just go into the surface and hide it. So in this way, we can extrude. Okay, if we want to edit the feature, we are gonna go back into the feature and edit feature. And this time into the options, we are not gonna up to surface, we are gonna go from offset from the surface. And then we need to choose the value, how much offset we want to have. So let's say 0.2 inches, and then let's click the green check mark. So maybe you cannot see here. First we need to visible our surface here. So as you can see, there is some difference between surface and our extrude, as you can see here. Or maybe we need to go into the section view, then maybe it's gonna be more clear. So as you can see, we have 0.2 inches difference between our extrude and surface, as you can see on this point. So in this way, by using surfaces, we can create our solids. So this was all about the surfaces tool for creating solid. So there are multiple ways, like you can create your solids by using surfaces.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.